That is a big slide. I think that's the slide they refer to when they talk about the great slide on the old highway. Bet you that's it. We were right up there. So now I know what to reference. And I guess I understand it. Remember how I pointed in at that road? Oh yeah, that's right. This is, anyway, focus, Lydia. But how I pointed inland to that road that it was probably a detour. And then here's where gophers are doing their thing. I'm pretty sure we are on top of Middens right now. Let me go down here and look. We're the only ones here. And it is hot. It's warm. Bodhi, I do want to let you off, and nah, I'm not going to let you off. It doesn't look scary, but I'm not sure what it's capable of, and I'm a newcomer, so I'm not going to do it. So they're supposed to be, I'm pretty positive I saw, oh yeah, there they are. Here we go. See the layer of shells? Right there. Middens. And then the soil, see how it gets blacker? That's from, I think, all the fish oil, I believe. All the nutrients. Bodhi, like compost. Oh man, I know he wants to go so bad. Shoot. How awesome. I knew this place was awesome. I wonder if they did ceramics. I know they were weavers, I apparently. But I wonder if they learned how to bake clay. I wonder how old this is. Ah, I am not falling off that cliff with you, Bodhi. Holy smokes. I think I probably should sign off. Oh, but before I do. Okay, so, come on, let's go back. Ooh, this could be really dangerous, especially with my nerves and my boots that are, like, they're not forgiving. They're really stiff. Bodhi, come on. I want to see if there's any evidence here. We have topsoil. Oh, shit, this is so beautiful. But I wanted to show you, if I hadn't already seen it, one of the most awesome things about this setting is how this creek comes down in S curves. Oh gosh, I can imagine. Well, the village is probably we're on this side because that's the side that's sheltered by the storms, or sheltered from the storms. I suppose they would be on this side during the sunny weather though. But look at this. Oh, stay, Bodhi. Look how it's like a deep channel. There's something just so appealing to me about that. I don't know why. Oh well, I guess this is what a natural spit would be. It would eventually be this bridge, and this is how I guess rivers would be, like this big spit. Yeah. Bald eagle. Hello. Holy cow. Oh man, you know how I saw those nests up there? I also wonder if this isn't one of their feathers that I found on the trail. I wonder if I'm allowed to. Really great. Always something, right? This is one of my favorite places. Bodie's marking his territory. Public lands, people. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Ah, gosh. Bodie. So yes, there's an arch or tunnel right there. That is just unbelievably cool, you know? The more that I think about it. Come here, Bodie. Come here. I'm trying to highlight it because there's a strip of, I'm sure we have that somewhere pictured, but a strip of different kind of stone, a layer. And I don't know what that is. Okay, I know you're thirsty. All this water. Come on.